Hey guys, it's me Gretchen from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery back again, and this time I have donuts on the brain. I have been thinking about making this combination of a chocolate turtle donut for a really long time, and I finally did it. Chocolate donut dipped in caramel and roasted pecans with some sea salt to balance out all that sweet. These are so good, and for those wondering why it's called a turtle, though, the original combination of caramel candy, pecans, and chocolate resembled a little turtle, so the name stuck. Now anything with that flavor combo of chocolate, caramel, and pecans can be known as a turtle dessert. I have always loved cake donuts so much more than yeast-raised donuts, so for me this recipe is perfection, and because they are baked, not fried, there is slightly less guilt around eating 4 of them. Yes, I ate 4 of them. Maybe more. So what? Mind your own business. Alright guys, check out how easy it is to make these, but first we have to get that caramel sauce out of the way because that has to cool and thicken up before we can dip those donuts. So it's a really simple recipe, and I am using palm sugar paste as the sugar, but I have made this recipe with coconut sugar and regular sugar too, with the palm sugar paste being closest to the thickness and color of caramel, but you can choose whatever sugar you prefer. So get it to a sauce pot with coconut milk, and full fat from the can is the best. Whisk it smooth just until it starts to boil, and then once it boils, stop stirring it, reduce the heat to medium, and let it reduce to almost half of the original volume, and that should be to about a half a cup, and this shouldn't take more than about 5 minutes. And now get to making the donuts, and you will need all-purpose flour, plant milk, flax meal, coconut oil, salt, cocoa powder, and baking soda. Oh, and sugar and vanilla extract too. So first combine the flax meal and the hot water and let that stand to thicken up. Now you'll get the brown sugar, plant milk, oil, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl and just whisk it smooth. Add in the flax paste, and then you're going to sift the flour, baking soda, and salt right into that. Just whisk it all to a nice smooth batter, and then you're going to pipe it into some lightly greased donut pans. You are going to want to fill the batter to the top though, not like I did here. I actually ended up remaking them after this because I didn't fill them enough. So get them to a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for just about 12 to 15 minutes. That's all it takes. Then you can pop them out. They cool really fast, and once they are cool, you can dip them into your caramel sauce, plunge them into some roasted pecans, and I did have some extra fudge icing left over from my most recent chocolate fudge cake recipe, and I piped a really nice swirl in the center, but this step is optional. Really, they're wonderful even without the fudge, but I mean, come on, why not? So don't forget the sea salt. This is what really balances out the entire combination of flavors here: sweet and salty, deep chocolate and caramel, and perfectly roasted pecans for a turtle donut that eats more like a decadent dessert. I do hope you're going to want to make these for yourself. Just go ahead and grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com. As always, a great big thanks to all my supporters here and on my blog for coming back to visit me each week. I do love all of your comments and kind words, so be sure to keep them coming. And of course, a very special thank you to my patrons and PayPal supporters. You guys are so amazing for continuing to help me offset the cost of these videos, the recipe testing and development, and the cost to run the blog. It's all happening because of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, just click the links below to find out how. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.